So this is the evidence of the bomb that has been dropped. This one we found on the ground and it is unexploded, as you can see. This is MK84 bomb. The label we can identify it was manufactured in 1996, so it is recently manufactured. There's a label on the other side of the bomb, and we identified the label and we found the manufacturing date. And you can see on the document you are holding right now of the detail. Inside this bomb there are 500 kilograms of TNT. The total weight, the gross weight is 1,000 kilograms or 2,000 pounds.
And it was fired from where?
It was conducted by the airstrikes.
Okay.
We track the bomb has been dropped on this location on 28 July 2025 at 11 p.m. 11:30 p.m. You can see that this bomb dropped around 30 minutes before the ceasefire agreement. And also there are 9 unexploded and exploded bombs laying around outside this perimeter. You can one of the crater, the diameter are 8 meters square with the depth of 6 meters. And the unexploded bomb that was dropped, we used our tracking equipment. We were unable to identify the bomb using the equipment, so we can see that the bomb has been buried underground around 10 meters. However, due to the time constraint and also the weather, we can show you this bomb on the ground only once, and it's very risky for us to see the other unexploded ordnances.